Но несчастлив, разбуди меня огнем. Может стать, попытаться, можешь поделиться сном. Everyday, перетяги, дышу музыкой на зло. Я тону в этой саге, пока дымится нутро.
So hello guys, yes, this is a restored Padmini, somehow Restomod because you know lights वगैरह. This is a one, to be very exact, 1089 cc inline 4-cylinder carbureted engine, about 40 PS of power on 4000 RPM and about 60 Newton meter of peak torque in just 4000 RPM. It's amazing. As you know, the PAL stands for Padmini Automobile Limited, and this is a gear lever inspired by a Lamborghini Huracan. The paddle shifter. Sorry, might be joking, but yeah, it is it. And this is a starter from company outlet, but this is somehow modified for some kind of reason. So this is a fuel intake of 38 liters, and because of this car is somehow modified, the wheel rims are stock but tires are radial. The tail light you can see, this is the stock, this one is the stock, and this is also modified thing. So it's amazing. This is a Padmini. As per you know, this is a family sedan, but उस समय पे हैचबैक बोल के बेची जाती थी, पता नहीं क्यों, शायद I don't know about that. But this is a sedan class. About 5 लोगों का सीटिंग कैपेसिटी है, लेकिन हम इंडिया में रहते हैं तो लोग 8 लोग भी बैठाते हैं इसमें. Might be. That's a comic thing. And this is a standard grill from company itself with a bumper, और इसको belly bumpers बोलते थे because it's look like somehow belly, but I don't think so. लेकिन this is a turn signals for frontal area, and this is a turn signal for fender area, and that's amazing actually.